Today for the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency prices, ladies and gentlemen, it is time right now. There is one thing in the chart, one small line, which is in between us right now and basically a crazy upwards trend for Bitcoin and for cryptos. I want to show you exactly what that line is, how we can determine when we are going to flip bullish and finally end this 2-month downtrend we are in right now. I want to talk about that. I want to talk about my 50 million US dollar long positions. Yes, I'm having them still open. Call me crazy. Want to talk about price targets and much, much more. Is this a bull trap? Well, let's talk about that. Let's go straight into the charts. Dear ladies and gentlemen, smash up the like button to a new all-time high and let's start with what everyone is waiting for right now. Let's go straight into the charts. And I'm telling you guys, it is tiring, right? Basically, since the 20th of January, we are in this horrible downtrend and I want to talk with you about what can finally save us here. Maybe I'm an irrational moon boy. Well, let's talk about that. Quickly going into my trades. Yes, Solana trade still open. I opened it somewhere close to the bottom, right? It can still very quickly flip bearish. Don't get me wrong here. The Bitcoin short-term trade still open. XRP trade also $100,000 in a profit. The other Ethereum trade in a profit. My short-term Ethereum trade still in a loss. What else could be in a loss if it's not Ethereum, right? Everything else, of course, green here. The 30 million US dollar Bitcoin trade also positive, somewhere at 4.6 million, right? Not real big changes here on the profitability of my long and short-term trades. But what I want to tell you here is, and you cannot really see this on the daily, right? But on the 4-hourly, something which is not clearly on the daily becomes quite clear. So since the 20th of January, we are basically just going down and down only. Right now, we can see something unfolding on the 4-hourly chart, and Bitcoin is a harbinger of what is going to happen to altcoins. Altcoins cannot flip bullish without Bitcoin flipping bullish. That is just as it is always, literally. So what you can see on the 4-hourly chart for Bitcoin, and that is indicative for altcoins as well, whereas I actually mostly care about Bitcoin only, but if you care about altcoins, and which I do a little bit, this is very important because since we are going down, this is the first potential W pattern. So I am searching here for the last straw for a bull to actually hold on to. And if you do want to search for the last straw for a bull to hold on to, then yes, this is horizontal resistance. Then yes, this is a W setup, which yes, we would break it if Bitcoin breaks 83,500 US dollars on a 4-hourly candle. Of course, guys, I didn't ask you for that yet. You don't have to, but if you smash up the like button, share this video with your friends, it really, really helps me also to get this video here across. I see the backlinks if you are sharing the video in the back end. YouTube really loves that. I would truly appreciate it. And yes, if you want to trade this, it's risky. This is a downtrend. We are having lower lows and lower highs. It's still a downtrend, don't get me wrong. A potential reversal scenario is, however, this W pattern. And if we are closing above, don't understand me wrong here. This is the last straw I'm holding on to here, right? But if we are closing above, yes, it could be a potential reversal. Yes, that could be a potential bullish scenario with a price target, a preliminary short-term price target of 88,800 US dollars. More midterm targets, of course, have to be determined afterwards. We need to see how much volume is coming in. We are approaching the end of the week. Also not the nicest thing, right? A Friday pump. I prefer a Monday pump. So this is really, if we are getting a reversal, just the first steps. Don't get me wrong here, right? So let's be careful, let's be cautious, but let's keep this scenario in mind. Would I now jump into huge leverage long positions? No, it's a downtrend, right? A short-term trend, if we break the neckline, yes, possible. Everything else is very, very risky, of course. If you do want to trade, well, be an experienced trader, be careful. I have 3 links to choose from in the comment section. A Bybit link gives you a $30,000 free bonus. A Levex link gives you free content of mine and you can follow my trades in absolute real time for free. The second link. The third link on BitUnix, you can basically trade there from wherever you are. They're providing a 20% discount. Of course, it's then on you to make research whether you are allowed to trade in your jurisdiction. I have 3 links down below. Make sure you use them if you want, if you're an experienced trader, and if you can. Thank you so much for watching. We are going to see you very soon at the next of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye.